smile for Mama when she doesn't have the camera on your face? You smile for me? Yeah, you will. No, you don't like the camera? If I put it over here. Or over here. No? Okay. You smile for Mama now? I don't have the camera. Hi. So what now? Hi, baby. You won't smile on camera. Why? Okay, try again. Hi. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi.